Okay, the count of three, sabay-sabay po natin i-blow yung candles po natin for our former President, Rodrigo Roa Duterte in 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, thank you so much,